Hi folks, this is Murtuza here from succeedwithmurtuza.com, and in this video presentation I'll be showing you how you can go about setting and achieving a goal, as well as I've created a full-blown free training for you that you can use today to set and achieve a goal. So the way you can get started is you have to ask yourself, what is it that you really want, okay, out of your life? What is the goal that you wish to shoot, okay, in next 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, okay? So write down your goal, write down exactly what do you want. That is the first step, okay? The second step, you have to make sure that your goal is really big and specific, okay? It is there's no point in setting up small goals, okay? Make your goals big. You have to make sure that you shoot your dreams, okay? Don't just go for some small goals, because that will not excite you. The way, if you approach your goal as if that you want to achieve your dream, it will excite you to such an extent that you will do everything that it takes to move towards your goal, okay? So make it a dream goal, make it big and very specific. Specific in the sense, you can't just say that I want to be healthy or I want to be rich, okay? That is very vague goal, okay? It's very generalized goal. You have to make it very specific. For example, if you want to lose weight, you have to make it specific, like I want to lose 10 kgs in next 3 months, okay? So this is a goal is very specific, because you know exactly when you want to achieve it and you know what it is that you want to achieve it, okay? So example, you want to be successful, so you can't just say that I am successful or I am rich. You have to make your goal as I want to achieve, let's say I want to achieve $100,000 a year annual income in next I want to earn $100,000 per year, okay? And I will make sure to set up a system to make this income in next 3 months. So this is a very specific goal, that you know exactly that you want to achieve $100,000, and you'll be setting up systems and components in place in next 3 months so that you can achieve this goal. So this is a very specific goal. So make sure your goal is very big, it is very specific. And the next thing is that once you have your goal written down, it is important that you build a routine, create a daily routine, okay? And make sure that you make this routine a habit. So you have to know exactly what you will be doing every single day so that you move towards your end goal, okay? Because nothing happens by magic. Your goal will not fall on your lap, okay? You have to make sure that you take the right actions at the right time every single day, so that step by step you move towards your goal. So write down your daily routine. You have to change your habits, you have to change the daily plan that you're executing, okay, to move towards your goal. You can't expect to do the same things you are doing every day and move towards your goal. So it is important that you set up your daily routine, okay, and then tune your day so that you move towards that daily routine, okay? So for example, I have a goal of having 1000 videos online, okay, similar to this one, which is sharing real good content with my visitors and subscribers. So that's my goal. So I have to make sure that I set up a daily routine every single day, okay? So that I get up, I plan out my content, I have my video studio ready, and I start shooting videos. So this is the daily routine, this is my morning ritual every single day. Get up, shoot videos, and research content, okay? So this is a daily routine which I follow. So you have to set up a daily routine so that you move towards your end goal. This is very important. Next thing which I would suggest you is that you get started fast, okay? So if you want to move towards your goal, write down everything I have told you, set up your daily routine, and get started tomorrow, okay? And as you're building an online business, and as you're learning how to get started with your internet business, make sure you get started with your website within 1 day. It is very easy to start your business in 1 single day by putting specific components in place. And my training, I have created a free training package for you, okay, which you can get by putting in your name and email address right below or somewhere on this web page, okay? And this training will show you how you can get started with your website in 1 single day by putting up very specific components. So all this what I have shown you is a very brief training out of the very full-blown training which I have created for you. It's a free training video package which I have created for you, which consists of 6 videos, okay, that you can get by putting in your name and email address on this web page. And what you'll be learning in this training is that you will learn how to create habits, okay. The first video will show you how to set up habits so that you follow your daily plan to move towards your goal, because without having habits it will be very difficult for you to move towards your goal. Your habits will actually make your success automatic, okay, because it will make it effortless. Because once you create a habit of something, then it becomes effortless. So you might be thinking many times that, well, this guy is successful, and why is he successful? He's working effortlessly and he's not putting in any efforts. The reason that guy is successful because he's doing the right things at the right time every single day, and he has formed an habit to do it on daily basis so that it looks effortless. And the reason he takes all these actions, he is getting the success that he deserves. So you have to form your own habit routine, and in the first video I'll be showing you how you can set up your own habit routine, okay. The second video will show you how you can actually plan out the one thing, okay, that is the one and only one thing you'll be doing every single day that will move towards your end goal. And when you get that one thing, you will actually remove all the distractions, okay. You will remove all the distractions and focus on just one specific thing every day that will take you systematically towards your end goal. So the second video will show you how you can figure out your one thing, okay. The third video will show you the reason why you're not making money online with your internet business, okay. So I'll be asking you a few specific questions, and you actually have to answer those questions, and within those answers you will realize why you are not making money online, okay. So there are very specific questions relating to your business which I will be asking you, and when you answer those questions, you will get it why you're not making money online. So the third video will focus on showing you the reasons why you're not making money online. And the fourth video will be showing you how you can go about systematically building your online business in one single day, okay. It will take you just one day to put up very specific components in place, and you have your business ready. And then from that point onwards, you can systematically grow your business using your daily routine, okay. Then the fifth video will show you how you can actually boost up your confidence, okay. The one single thing that you can do today that will boost up your confidence tremendously so that you can build your online business very fast, okay. So that is what you'll be getting in the fifth video. And the last and final video in this training, I'll show you what is the meaning of STP. It is something really beautiful. When you realize and when you strategize your STP process, then your mission to build your online business will become really smooth, because you know exactly what are the system strategies and the processes in place that you will have to strategize to move towards your end goal. So I'll be showing you what is STP and how you can create that STP for yourself, so that you know the exact route that you will be taking to move towards your end goal. So this is all you will be learning in the free video training presentation which I'll be sharing with you, and all you have to do is put in your name and email address right on this web page, okay. So you'll see a form right below on this web page where you can put your name and email address, or probably you'll see a link that will take you to a page where you can put your name and email address, and I'll be sending you this video training series. The 6-part video is absolutely free. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I wish you all the very best and success. Take care. Goodbye.